Right guys, I'm going to give you all a tour of the plot on this lovely rainy day. So this will be a quick tour of what's still in on the plot and what I'm going to be doing for 2020. So I'll see you all in a moment. Just one sec. Right, so I'm back here. I'm not going to, it's not going to be me sitting in my shed today. So this was our bed where we had the peas last year. This is obviously going to need to be cleaned out because of all the weeds. Got some beans, these purple beans still going. Like this here. Something is digging, but never mind. I say, there's quite a few of these purple beans on here still. Butternut squash. Again, still don't think anything's happening with this. Oh, we've got a butternut squash there. There. There's two there actually. But I don't think anything's gonna. Don't know if anything's gonna come of them now. A rogue Brussels sprout. You see over there, there's still a couple of sunflowers over there. Dahlias. Some of our dahlias are still going over there. And one of our pumpkins has come off now. Our white sunflower there is starting to lean. I'm going to have to do something about that. But the flowers are still going here. I've forgotten the name of that one now. Clary. That's the one, that pink one there. And then we've got some petunias which are pretty much done for, and some pansies. Cosmos. Hollyhocks are still growing in the background there. This is obviously where all of our squashes and pumpkins are. This pumpkin's pretty much ready to come off as well. And then we've got our little baby pumpkins. We still have a rather large marrow. I think he's pretty much finished growing now. Oh, what I did mean to tell you, just quickly. This bed here, where these beans and that are, and the peas there, these two beds are going to be joined. I'm going to take this path out in the middle, and these two beds are going to be joined maybe in sort of an L shape, and I have a path running down the side where that path is running down there where all the nettles are, and then that's going to be one bed. Then this is going to be one bed. This here, where the corn, and which is the corn's had it. It should have been baby corn, but didn't get it early enough. And these collies here. This is going to be all one bed. These three separate sort of beds are going to all be one bed next year. We've still got some cucumbers. Still producing cucumbers. Some nice little fat cucumbers there. I was going to have a path down here. This is going to be another bed here. This is going to be for our roots stuff next year, I'm thinking. We're going to keep the arch there though, so we might have peas or something growing up that, or beans or something growing up that next year. This covered area here is going to be for my overwintering onions. You may have seen that on Instagram if you've been on there. Still got some leeks in. Our green manure's doing nicely. Courgettes, gonna get rid of them. They're done for now, and didn't even get a courgette off them. Tomatoes are pretty much the same. I think a lot of the tomatoes they're splitting. This one seems alright. As I say, some spring onions and two turnips in there. Then we've got chervil, coriander, 2 types of lettuce, and pak choi in that bed there. These all need to go into beds. We've got some cabbage, 2 types of kale, rocket, Swiss chard and parsley in that one there. And then we've got our Florence fennel, and then down here we've got some dill, and then into the polytunnel we've got 2. These were from runners from the strawberry plant, the one up there. Doing really well. They're going to come out again. Aubergines, they had it now. Not really getting anything off of the chilies now either, so they're going to be going. And then we've got, in this bed here, we've got Mizuna and Mabuna. Did have a load of chard in there. It was chocolate chard. Some of this, a lot of this in here has been eaten. That's pak choy. That is Kailan Kitchi. Is this? These ones here. It's like a Chinese kale. Don't seem to have suffered too badly with the being eaten as much as the pak choy. And then the calabrese, which has also suffered a little bit with being eaten. And then this is our strawberry plant up here, planters up here. It did have quite a lot more leaves on it, but it had leaf spot mold, so I had to remove a lot of the leaves. Oh, and then there's our Chantenay carrots, Chantenay 2 red core carrots in the wheelbarrow bed there. So yeah, that's I moved it into the polytunnel because something was digging in it when it was out here. I think we might have a bit of a problem with rats or mice or something, or maybe even the birds are getting to it. That's the reason for doing that. Bed over there is so that the pigeons don't get me onions this year. This mustard green manure is doing really well. There's going to be another path down there, and then this bit here, which is currently covered in junk, there's going to be another bed, and then I'm going to end the bed here, probably at the end of this, and then the rest of this is going to be, when it's cleared, which I've made a start, but the rest of this is going to be fruit, and I'm also going to have my chickens down here as well at somewhere. I'm thinking maybe somewhere around here somewhere. So I'm going to have the chicken enclosure, and then the rest of that is going to be for fruit. So yeah, pretty much that's everything, guys. Compost heap there, but yeah, guys, just keep an eye on the channel, keep watching. I will still keep going throughout the winter. I've got a video planned for planting these onions, the overwintering onions, into this bed here. I may do half in the bed here, and then half I might do into like modules in the greenhouse, just to get them started and see which ones do better. And there's also some runner beans there as well. Didn't know if you see those. That's plant's pretty much had it now, so that'll be coming out soon. And I'm also going to be doing some garlic. I'm doing a garlic comparison, which is Solent White garlic from King Seeds, and also I'm going to be doing some supermarket garlic. Now I'm not planting it into the ground, so just to combat getting white rot on my plot, I'm going to plant them into containers, and I have some large containers which I can use. So I'm going to be doing that also in a video this month, and seeing how that goes. So this hedge needs trimming down the side here at some point, but it's technically, actually, I've been told it's not my job to do that. It's the even though it's on my side of the allotment, it's actually the committee's job to do that, not mine. So I'm going to go in the shed. yeah, nice drizzly day today anyway, for me to show you all of what's going on here. But I hope that's given a lot of people more of a insight into what my plot looks like and what's going on with it. Just have a quick spin around here so you guys can see. As I said, that's going to be one bed, all one bed there, all one bed there where the squashes are currently. Then the top bed is going to be like a sort of a stubby L shape, and then there's going to be a bed there for the potatoes and a bed on the bottom, which is probably going to be tomatoes or something next year, where all that junk is at the moment. And then from then onwards it's going to be my fruit area and my chicken enclosure when I eventually get it built. But yeah, anyway, that is everything from me, guys. Please don't forget to visit my Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on this video, to my channel through this video. And yeah, if you have any questions for me, please do let me know. And as I say, anything else, then I'll be online somewhere, either on one of my socials, or I will reply to any comments on here. But other than that, yeah, thanks guys, and I shall see you all in the next video, and please do have a lovely winter.